Do you care if I get my noodles going?
Absolutely.
Just gonna do about a half of a box here.
And we're just kind of eyeballing this. You know, Taryn came down, she said, I want to do a, what was she, 10?
I know.
Maybe younger?
Yeah, she was young.
She said, well, I want to do my mac and cheese
Yeah.
recipe. I'm like, so she came on board, and she's 15 now.
I know. Can you believe it?
Jeez, that just blows my mind.
Well, the kids are, Sammy's 10, she's 15, and Natalie will be 21. Can you believe that?
How is that possible when we're,
I don't know.
we're still in our early 30s,
That's right.
Mrs. Farmer?
I don't know.
She comes up with this recipe, and I'm like skeptical. And I'm like, that might be the best macaroni and cheese I've had.
And she's got to have bow ties. That's her
She's gotta have bow
favorite.
ties.
Got to have bow ties. And how'd she say mozzarella? Mozzarella? Mozzarella?
I can't remember what she said. Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
She
That's
said
right.
mozzarella.
Can I go ahead and shred my mozzarella while we're standing here? Or you want to wait and make it all
Want to shred
together?
your mozzarella?
My mozzarella. You know, and Taryn had her own measurements, but we're making a smaller batch, so we'll just kind of do our own thing. I'll just use her ingredients. How's that?
You know, if you wanted to, too, we had some
Gruyere.
Gruyere,
I
some
had some
smoked
already
Gruyere.
shred. I could throw some in there. That's a good idea.
Whatever
your
you
recipe.
want. That's the great thing about a recipe. You can take what we do and add to it or take away from it.
All right, I already have my butter melted, so I'm going to add my noodles back. Oops, they went down.
So you're just putting it in the butter right now.
I am, and I'm looking at Taryn's recipe. She said 3/4 cup of whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, but we're going to do about half of that because I did about
We
half.
did a small batch.
We did a smaller batch. And I'm going to throw, she said 3/4 parm. I'm going to do, what do you think, maybe half a cup?
Yeah.
Because I'm going to throw a little, you said Gruyere?
Yeah,
I got
that's
some.
smoked.
And I got a little Parmesan. And salt and pepper.
You gonna pop that in the oven?
I am. I got the bottom oven, I just on about 275, and we'll just let that cheese kind of melt in this. I'm just gonna put these in this pan,
Heck yeah.
and I think I'll top it with a little fresh Parmesan. How's that?
Look at that cake.
It's a cake. That's right.
Man, this is coming together. You can pop that in?
I am. I'm gonna put
All right.
this. I'm just gonna let this warm up until we're ready to eat.
Yeah.
Try the macaroni
That's on
cheese.
point.
I like the Gruyere taste to it. That's
A la Taryn.
a la Taryn. How can you not like cheesy?
Oh yeah. The smoked Gruyere brought it up a notch.